Hey guys, this is Mrs. Thompson. Today we are going to be making some heart stencils. So everybody should have a small piece of paper, and what I want you to do with this small piece of paper is fold it in half. So hearts are symmetrical, just like butterflies, meaning they are the same on both sides. So what we are actually going to do is we're going to draw half of a heart. So you can go ahead and open this paper up, and on this side I'm going to draw half of a heart, and then I'm going to cut it out. So you're going to be using a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie just so you can see it. But starting right in the center, so right on that fold, I want to make a half of a heart. Alright, you go ahead and try. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refold my paper. And I'm going to take a pair of scissors. Make sure your paper is folded. It's not going to work if your paper is not folded. And just cut out the heart you just made. So just follow the line. And then when you are done, open it up and you have a whole heart. Next step. Take a regular size sheet of paper, and I want you to write your name on it, on the back. Then I want you to take this paper and fold it in half this way. Really press down on that fold. Then you can open it up. And I want you to fold it in half the other direction. So we're basically going to be making 4 boxes. And open it up. And now you should have 4 boxes. And what I want you to do, just so you can see those boxes, is take a pencil or a Sharpie and just draw a line on top of those fold lines. Both ways. Now you are ready to use your heart stencil. You're going to put your heart in the first box, and you're actually going to trace your heart inside all 4 boxes. So you can use a pencil for this. Go ahead and follow your heart stencil around in each of the 4 boxes. There's one. And make sure it's fitting. You don't want to have your heart here in the center of a line. Make sure it fits right inside. Two. Three. And 4. Now you are done with this heart. You are welcome to take it home with you, or you can also throw it in the trash. Make sure you take this one or throw it away and recycle it as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add some decoration inside each heart, and maybe even a decoration around the hearts. We'll see what happens. I think I'm going to start with this heart, and I'm actually just going to put a decoration around this one. These are called scalloped lines. Now this is kind of our Valentine's Day project. I know we're starting it kind of early, but I want it to be done by Valentine's Day. That's why we're doing it now. And maybe I'll do the same to this one over here. Now you do want to make each heart different. So all of them you want to make unique, but they can have some of the same stuff. Okay. I think in this heart I'm going to add some lines. Maybe in here I'll draw other hearts inside this heart. Let's see, what else? Maybe we can do some polka dots. Do all different sizes of polka dots. And you can do your own idea. You don't have to copy mine. And for the last one, the last one, I think I'm going to divide it up into shapes. All right, and there I have all 4 of my hearts done. Make sure you have traced yours with Sharpie. And then when you come next week, we're actually going to use texture plates and crayons and maybe even some oil pastels to give these color.